Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to my video. Today I'm going to review this lovely Mofii keyboard. I've been using this for 2 days, so I actually don't know if it's a really good for work from home type of thing. So basically it's just a wireless keyboard. You can just using some Bluetooth. There's like a 3 button on here, so you can actually connect with 3 different devices. But now I'm just using for my laptop, so I don't know how it works to do for other device. But it was really easy. You can just start. You can just press this button and then just turn on the Bluetooth on your laptop, and that's it. And it's a little bit different keyboard type because it's like vintage typewriter style keyboard. So when you can see it, it's really like a deep keyboard. So you have to like press it really harder. And I got this from Amazon. It was like a 40 bucks, so it was pretty reasonable. And then I got just like 1-day shipping, so yeah. And there's like 2 different type. You can actually get a longer keyboard with a wireless mouse too, but I only need a keyboard and I want really like a short keyboard like this keyboard, not extra space for here. So that's why I choose this model. But I think that this is like a little older version of this Mofii keyboard. But if you want to get a wireless mouse and keyboard at the same time, then maybe you should check it out. So I've been using this for 2 days, but I don't know like how it's going to be like after a month. But there's some pros and cons for this keyboard. So overall, I love this keyboard. I love this like a texture or feeling when you when I type this keyboard, and then sound amazing. And it's just a cute design, so I love it. It's sound and texture. This is like a typewriter keyboard, so you have to press the button a little harder. So it's really fun to type, you know? It's like a toy. I think most people like this like a sound, this ASMR sound, the keyboard sound, you know? And I loved it too. So it's really fun to like type something. But there's some cons about this keyboard. First con is it's really hard to type faster, and you're gonna have a lot of typo with this. Like a typewriter keyboard, so you have to like press a little harder than other like a laptop keyboard. So it's kind of hard to like type faster because you have to make a more effort, or you have to like type like this. Then I think it's better. But if you are like just type, and you're gonna get lots of typo. But maybe it's just like maybe it's just like I get lots of typo with this keyboard. Maybe I'm not used to it yet, so that's why. But overall, it's kind of hard to type real faster. So yeah, that's one of my cons. My another con is actually sometimes it has a little delay in this like the monitor, and then like when you type it, it's kind of have some delay, it doesn't show up, and 5 seconds later it show up. So that's kind of my con, but it's kind of doesn't matter. But yeah, just and then when you turn on this like laptop, and sometimes I have some issues, so I have to like reboost it to use this keyboard. So that's kind of my con. And the last con is this is battery operated, so you have to put the 2 batteries. It's an AAA battery, it's like a little tiny batteries. So I don't know how it lasts with this battery, but I actually didn't know this is not rechargeable. Luckily, I have a AAA battery on at my home, so I just anyways, so I'm going to use it a lot every day, like more 6 or 7 hours probably. So I don't know how it's gonna last, but hopefully it lasts like at least 1 month. Yeah, that was my last con. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.